Hello everyone. Triofox enhances existing Windows file servers with secure remote access, mobile file sharing, data protection, and cloud migration, while addressing business concerns about security, privacy, compliance, and control. Triofox prepares file servers for a productive future that is independent of data location or deployment model. Whether your needs are best served by migration to a public cloud, private cloud, or just file servers on premises. In today's video, we will be showing you how to enable cloud backup to a file server. First, we will log in as an admin into the Triofox web portal. Once you are in the dashboard, you can select your file server and click into the share that you would like to back up. Once you are in that share, you can click into the Cloud tab near the top and select the camera icon that says Cloud Backup. Then you can enable cloud backup by clicking the switch, and then it will ask you where you want to back up the share along with the credentials needed. In this case, we are using a DFS share and we will be using the default storage option given. It will now show us a screen where you can see snapshots and the logs for when you back up your files. Since we just enabled it, there are none available. You can select force initial seeding now and let the first snapshot create. Now we will go into the file server and test this feature. First, we will go into that share and delete a file in the share. Once we do that, we can go back into the Triofox web portal on the other machine and see that the file is not there. This is a very useful tool that can be utilized when you accidentally delete a file. As you can see, the file that was deleted in the file server is not in the web portal either. You can go back into the Cloud tab once again and click into Cloud Backup. In the Snapshots tab, you can browse to the initial snapshot that was created and select the eye icon next to it. From here, you can restore the folder to its previous state and the file that was deleted will be brought back into the share. Now that it is restored, we can go back into the share and we can see that the file is there. For more help, you can visit triofox.com and start a free trial. Thank you for watching this video.